of the 2019 César E. Chavez social justice activities is "We Are the World." Why did we choose this theme? Because our country is composed of immigrants, and we are concentrating on the immigrants in our area. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, there's some schools that have up to 90% immigrants. So it is important for us to celebrate that we are part of "We Are the World."
So it is my honor to be part of the committee to honor César E. Chavez committee. I have been part of this partnership and collaboration for about 7 years. And the beauty about this collaboration is it is a partnership not only of local universities and colleges, but also of community organizations as well as the Grand Rapids City. So it is truly people coming together to make a difference in our community.
I think Cesar would be very unhappy with the immigration stance as far as human rights, as far as social justice, civil rights, and just name calling and bullying people. And I think Cesar would be very, very disappointed on what's happening now. You know, we're role models all the time for our children. And so when they hear people using cuss words, and I'm talking about all elected officials, in public, nationally, that's not a very good thing, because then what are our students going to say? Well, if the president can use these words, why not me?
We are really shaped by the young people who will be making a difference in the world that we live in.
We are the world.